Did you know your cat can taste scents? Or that they developed meowing just to communicate with humans? Welcome to the fascinating world of cats, where every whisker tells a story. A house cat's genome is 95.6% tiger. Yes, your little furball shares behaviors with jungle ancestors. Cats are the only mammals who don't taste sweetness. Imagine a life without sugar. Their night vision is far superior to ours, making them the ultimate nocturnal hunters. Ever noticed your cat staring with its mouth open? They have an extra organ to taste scents in the air. Cats have 230 bones, while humans only have 206. More bones mean more flexibility. Their claws curve downward so they can't climb down trees head first. They have to back down. Speaking of cats, I've created the perfect coloring book for all cat lovers. Available now on Amazon. Grab yours and let your creativity roam free. Check it out. Now let's continue. Cats can jump up to 6 times their length. That's like a human jumping over a house. Their collarbones don't connect to other bones, allowing them to squeeze through tight spaces. Cats have nearly twice the amount of neurons in their cerebral cortex as dogs. Smarter than you thought, right? Their rough tongues can lick a bone clean of any shred of meat. Nature's perfect cleaning tool. Cats use their long tails for balance when jumping or walking along narrow ledges. A cat's whiskers are about the same width as its body, helping them navigate tight spaces. Male cats are more likely to be left-pawed, while females are more likely to be right-pawed. Cats can spend up to a third of their waking hours grooming. It's their way of staying clean and relaxed. Cats typically sleep for 12 to 16 hours a day. They're crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. Cats live longer when they stay indoors, safety first for a longer life. Cats purring may be a self-soothing behavior used when they're ill or distressed, as well as when they're happy. Spaying and neutering can extend a cat's life. Neutered males live 62% longer, spayed females 39% longer. A slow blink from a cat is a kitty kiss, showing contentment and trust. Cats have up to 100 different vocalizations. Dogs only have 10. Talk about a unique vocabulary. When a cat flops over and exposes its belly, it's a sign of trust, not always an invitation for a belly rub. Cats mark you as their territory by rubbing their faces and bodies against you. When cats hit you with retracted claws, they're playing, not attacking. Cats walk like camels and giraffes, moving both right feet first, then both left feet. Cats often attack your ankles when they're bored. It's their way of saying, "Play with me." Cats love to sleep in laundry baskets because they're hiding places with peepholes. A group of kittens is called a kindle. How adorable is that? A house cat could beat Usain Bolt in the 200-meter dash. Speedy little creatures. Cats dream, just like people do. Ever wondered what they dream about? Don't forget to check out our perfect coloring book for all cat lovers. The perfect gift for any feline fan. Available now on Amazon. Grab yours and let your creativity roam free. Thanks for watching. Remember, every cat has a story. What's your cat's story? Keep exploring the feline world with us.